Hi guys, today in this video we will talk about how to use Kijimea K53 Advance capsule. So what is the best way to use this product and what is the best procedure to take for higher results. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I want to show you something like you will see over here. Mode of use: if you are any adult or children or above like 4 year or older, take one capsule daily without chewing with a sufficient amount of liquid during one of the main meal. It means like you have to drink lots of water while you are going to use this product. Okay, and you don't need to chewing this product, you have to swallow this product. Okay, and if we talk about like if you please don't, you can say like don't you can say exceed this dose by, you can say, recommended dose. You should like use only one capsule daily, or you can say like you should try only one capsule per day, and then you can get benefits, or you can say lots of benefits. Okay, otherwise you are going to face some issues if you are going to exceed the dose of this capsule. Okay, and you have to take lots of drink, you have to take like lots of water after using this product, and you have to be very careful. If you are going to use this product under 3 years of age, then you need to like contact your doctor at least once, then they will guide you should try this product or not. Okay, and if you have any issues, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends, and bye bye.